Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Financial Futures, your go-to channel for the latest news and updates on economic stimulus packages. Today we've got some exciting news to share. But before we dive into today's updates, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We're here to keep you informed and empowered during these challenging times. Now, let's jump right into the main story. Hold on to your seats because here it is, the official bill release for Social Security, known as the You Earned It, You Keep It Act. If you're someone who collects Social Security, SSI, SSDI, retirement, survivor's benefits, or any fixed income benefits from the Social Security Administration, you're going to want to pay attention to this bill. Now, let's take a look at the headlines coming out on this groundbreaking legislation. Will retirees stop paying tax on Social Security next year? Lawmakers have proposed to eliminate tax on Social Security retirement benefits. Here's what this could mean for retirees and workers. This piece of legislation is aiming to wipe out the double taxation that takes place, questioning why we pay taxes into Social Security and then get hit with taxes when we withdraw, a double taxation that needs to stop. The proposed bill suggests that this move could provide some of the biggest increases to Social Security recipients that we've seen so far. Additionally, the legislation aims to extend the solvency, ensuring that those who depend on these benefits can continue to receive 100% of their payments without facing cuts. As we've heard, without intervention, there could be 20% to 25% cuts across the board for all recipients within the next 8 to 12 years due to the current solvency issues with Social Security. Now let me share the latest details on this bill and also touch upon a live update from yesterday where a serious national security threat was announced by Congress, a new threat coming directly from Russia, and it involves space. But first, if you appreciate these updates, take a quick second to hit the like button for me. It really helps out the channel. Alright, let's dive into the details of the You Earned It, You Keep It Act. The bill proposes eliminating federal income tax on Social Security retirement benefits, which could benefit many retirees, especially those who receive other types of taxable income. Currently, up to 85% of Social Security benefits are taxable at the federal level. According to the bill, wiping out this federal tax on retirement benefits could be paid for by increasing taxes on higher earners. This move is expected to significantly reduce federal debt over the next several decades by nearly $9 trillion. The bill would increase the Social Security wage base, making higher earners pay more into the program, thus extending the solvency. However, it's important to note that some provisions of the bill lack bipartisan support, making it unlikely to pass as currently written. But there is bipartisan support for eliminating the federal tax on Social Security retirement income. The proposed legislation also does not address state income tax on Social Security, meaning retirees may still pay state income tax on their Social Security income. Let's jump into our next topic. We've just received word about a groundbreaking program that's been approved, and it's set to make a real difference in the lives of low-income families. Get ready for some exciting details. Right here, where it says better than cash, we're talking about an amazing opportunity for families to receive an additional $10,000. This was officially announced earlier this month, and they're calling it a boost towards a better future. It's DC's new pilot program, and it's designed to provide around $10,800 to 3 deserving low-income mothers in the DC area. The best part? They can use it as they choose. Our nation is stepping up by providing direct subsidies for low-income families, covering essential needs like nutrition, housing, and child care. These programs are life-changing, long-lasting, and incredibly rewarding for the recipients. We're talking about initiatives that help individuals enhance their job skills, including Pell Grants for education and partnerships with community colleges offering low-cost training. This isn't just about improving skills, it's about creating opportunities for stable income streams and uplifting the lives of entire families. So, if you're in the DC area or know someone who is, keep an eye out for this fantastic opportunity. This pilot program is one of the most substantial in terms of the amount offered, over $10,000. But that's not all. Let's shift our focus to Austin, Texas, where the cost of living has been on the rise. Last year, they introduced their own guaranteed basic income program, providing $500 to families every month. The initial pilot program was set to end, but guess what? There's good news. The Austin City Council just announced an extension. We received the latest memo from Austin's interim city manager, Jesus Garza, revealing that the Guaranteed Income Pilot Program is getting additional funding and transforming into the Family Stabilization Grant Program. The city is working on a new contract with modifications, including increased oversight, program audits, and data collection, to fine-tune its services. Originally, the program ran from 2022 through 2023, providing $1,000 every month to low-income city residents without restrictions on usage. The Austin City Council has increased funding from $1.1 million to $1.3 million, assisting more than 135 households. The program has shown significant positive impacts, especially in improving housing stability, as reported by Mary, the Principal Research Associate for the Urban Institute. The revamped Family Stabilization Grant Program is set to launch in the spring of this year. If you're in Austin or know someone who could benefit, spread the word. Monthly payments of $1,000 for at least 12 months could make a significant difference. Now let's talk about another pilot program in Harris County, Houston, Texas, called Uplift Harris. An astonishing 82,000 people applied for this program, demonstrating the critical need for guaranteed income initiatives in the area. Uplift Harris aims to provide $500 monthly cash payments to approximately 1,900 eligible families for at least 18 months. The overwhelming interest in the program reflects the urgent need to address poverty, especially among vulnerable communities. The program is funded by the American Rescue Plan, with recipients randomly selected from the 10 most impoverished zip codes in the county. Applications for Uplift Harris have closed, but if you applied, stay tuned. Selected participants will be notified by February 26, and the first cash payments are scheduled to be distributed on April 13. This is an exciting time, and these programs are not just political debates, they're about making a tangible difference in our communities. Let's stay informed and share these opportunities with those who may benefit. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Financial Futures for more updates.